it's gonna be good. Okay, okay.
Get a dictionary.
Okay, so I went to McDonald's and I got the McDonald's hack secret menu. I don't know, it can't be a secret menu because I literally just went there and I saw the whole picture of land, air, and sea. And I am excited about doing this. One, because I'm very hungry. Two, because one person requested me to do this. And I'm going to do it right now, all right? And we have our tangy barbecue sauce. I'm going to try not to be messy. But okay, let's see. First off, let me tell y'all something, McDonald's. I didn't know I had to put all this, I didn't know I had to put all this together like I'm in 3rd grade again, putting puzzles back. You know, that's proof that I am hungry. Y'all, I know y'all heard my stomach. I actually saw this on Twitter. You can have land, air, and sea. You can have a crunchy double, a surf and turf. It wasn't until I went to the drive-thru that I realized you have to order everything by itself. Y'all didn't do that to Sweetie, Saweetie. Y'all didn't do that to BTS. So why y'all do it to your own shit? All right, land, air, and sea. I'm gonna save that for last. We're gonna do the surf and turf. We're gonna do the surf and turf. It's Filet-O-Fish. I never in my life thought that I would grow up and say, you know what, I want that surf and turf from McDonald's, but we're gonna have Filet-O-Fish. Let's get this out of the way. Filet-O-Fish and a double cheeseburger. Oh, that's it. Okay, Filet-O-Fish and a double cheeseburger. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. A Filet-O-Fish and a double cheeseburger. One, and then two, and then something don't seem right. Wait a minute. Oh, they separated the cheeseburger. Y'all, this just looks like a science experiment from here. I remember ordering Filet-O-Fish and I was like, double tartar sauce. Filet-O-Fish, double cheeseburger, right there. And that's it. This actually reminds me of gangbang. Well, not that gangbang. You know what kind of gangbang, the McGangbang. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't look like the picture, but still y'all get the drift. It's going down the same pipe. Okay, so let's try it. We have a surf and turf from McDonald's. Even the light went off on my phone because it can feel the dryness. I feel like I'm tasting a well that just washed up the shore without the water because it's dry. We need some sauce, and that is why I'm waiting for the land, air, and sea. I'm gonna talk about McDonald's Sprite because you guys know you have to order McDonald's Sprite. Oh my God, that's dry! That's how dry it is. It's taking me so long to wash it down. Okay. Does it usually take this long to chew? Okay. Oh my God, that's it. What does McDonald's put in their, what did they put in their Sprite that is so strong? Oh my gosh, this Sprite was so strong, it broke my glass. I'm not lying, look, right there, that thin crack. I'm telling you, oh no, not metal. Man, 2 electrical surges, that thing will knock my toboggan off, man. This thing can power the 2022 Olympics, okay? You can put this as fuel for a G6 and it will take it to Cali without any problem. We didn't even get to the second menu. Okay, let me go to the second one. Let's do the crunchy double. The crunchy double comes with 6 McChickens and a double cheeseburger. That's it, okay? All right, double cheeseburger. And then you're gonna put there. Can y'all see it? Yeah, y'all can see it. Oh, that's bright. Okay. Ooh, just right there. I want it to look just like that picture. Ooh. Then, put it right here. That's it. And it doesn't look that bad. It looks like something you would get after the club around 2:10 in the morning. Let's go. That tangy sauce saved the day. This is what we needed. This is it. I'm still anticipating the land, air, and sea, but I can do this. As basic as it is, I will give this a 9. This is, okay. Last but not least, the land, air, and sea. I'm ready. I have the Big Mac, the Filet-O-Fish, and the McChicken, baby. Do y'all remember the Big and Tasty? Why y'all get rid of that anyway? Why the good stuff? Y'all be like, nope, we getting rid of this. This is limited time. We have, oh my gosh, McDonald's, props to you guys. This is, y'all see how good this, y'all did good, okay? Because my friend said, my friend said, why does, I'm not gonna name the restaurant, but she said, why does it look like a blind person going down a water slide putting a sandwich together? I might edit that out, my bad. But the vision that I had in my head, okay, let me go, let me stop. I'm sorry, this is so good. I'm just gonna take a bite of a Big Mac alone because I haven't had a Big Mac by itself in a long time. Oh my gosh. And when I was, I thought I saw something swinging. I thought I saw a mosquito just swinging from my patty, but growing up, I used to love ordering Big Mac with extra special sauce. And then, I don't know what's in their special sauce. It tastes familiar, but I always order extra, and I didn't even order extra on this one. Oh, I forgot we're doing a combo, hold on. Okay, we have a Big Mac. Get rid of this. And it looks like they did the Filet-O-Fish. And then, what did they do over here? Filet-O-Fish. Stop. Oh, okay. Wait. Then the McChicken. And I think we're good, right? Okay, I think I got it. Oh yeah, this was confirmation. I got it. Oh, so this is what it looks like. Y'all, this is not bad. I actually did pretty good. I did pretty good. Whoa, this is gonna be good. Okay, okay. Ten. I'm like Monica from Friends, y'all. And land, air, and sea, I live by the beach. We're gonna have to skip those beach restaurants and go straight to McDonald's for this land, air, and sea, because this is it. This is it. I feel like if y'all do order it, get it with extra. Get it with extra tartar sauce and sweet and sour on the side. That way, the sea will meet you at the end. And that sweet and sour sauce will coat it. And it will feel like a white dove. It's going down to your esophagus, y'all. This is it. This is it! Call me Michael Jackson, because that's it. Okay. Alright, I'll see y'all with a new video pretty soon. Alright? I forgot, man. There's vegetable surge up in here. Look. Woo!
Feel me? Thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs up anyway, cause you will. Thumbs up, cause you will. Thumbs up. But with that being said, thumbs up.